What if a few smart gadgets could make every drive safer, easier, and more enjoyable? In today's video, I'm revealing some of the most useful car gadgets that can upgrade your driving experience without spending a fortune. From innovative, clever accessories to must-have tech, these picks are worth every penny. So if you love smart automotive accessories and want to make your car even better, stay tuned, because you won't want to miss these amazing gadgets. If you want to grab any item, then all the items are linked in the description below. Let's get started. Every day, your car's paint is under attack. From acid rain and flying rocks to the scorching sun, your finish takes a beating. Stop the damage and bring back that showroom look with Shine Armor. It's the ultimate 3-in-1 formula that cleans, shines, and protects in seconds. Infused with advanced nanoceramic technology, it creates an ultra-durable protective shield. No waxes, no streaks, just an instant dirt-repelling barrier. Safe for paint, wheels, trim, and glass. Give your ride the protection it deserves. Grab your bottle of Shine Armor today. Tired of fighting the glaring sun every time you're in the car? Whether you're trying to work, relax, or just drive, harsh UV rays can ruin the ride. Meet the ECONOUR Roller Sunshade. It's designed for ultimate convenience with dual installation options. Just clip it right onto your window glass. Or use the heavy-duty suction cups for a secure, custom fit on any side window. Pull down to block out the heat and glare instantly while keeping your view clear. And when you're done, it retracts smoothly with just one press. Keep your car cool and your drive comfortable. As a parent, keeping your eyes on the road while worrying about your little one in the back seat is a constant struggle. Meet the SHINNER Baby Car Mirror. It installs in seconds with absolutely zero tools required, giving you a crystal clear, extra wide view of your baby. Now you can drive with peace of mind, knowing exactly how your baby is doing at a single glance. Engineered to be completely shatterproof and safety tested, it's the ultimate co-pilot for peace of mind. Check out the link below to get yours today. Tired of your car's middle tunnel getting constantly kicked, dirtied, and ruined by passengers? And let's be honest, it is an absolute nightmare to vacuum clean. Protect your interior with the glittering universal rear tunnel mat. Designed to fit seamlessly over the middle hump, it provides heavy-duty defense against mud, scuffs, and everyday wear and tear. Made from durable, high-quality rubber, it's incredibly easy to wipe down and clean. Plus, it features easy-to-trim grid lines, allowing you to custom cut it for a flawless, snug fit in almost any vehicle. Keep your car looking brand new. Upgrade your ride with glittering today. Whether you're cruising the open highway or navigating remote country roads, your vehicle is your ultimate companion. But what happens when that dreaded check engine light comes on? Don't let car trouble stall your journey. Meet the ANCEL DOBD2 scanner, your glove box ready solution for unexpected issues. This rugged plug-and-play diagnostics tool delivers instant engine insights, letting you read and clear dashboard trouble codes in seconds without the pricey trip to the mechanic. Designed for every road warrior who rides with confidence. Take control of your drive with the ANCEL AD310. Ever worry about your tire pressure while driving? Say hello to the TYMATE TM7 tire pressure monitoring system. Features 4 pre-labeled paired sensors that install in seconds and plug straight into your 12-volt socket for instant power. You get crystal clear real-time pressure and temperature updates on a vibrant color LCD screen. Plus, it doubles as a fast charger with both Type A and Type C USB ports. Drive smarter, stay safer. Grab your TYMATE TM7 at the link below. Want that dealership fresh look without the premium price tag? Meet the ARMORALL Portable Spot Cleaner, the ultimate weapon against car interior mess. Packed with a high suction motor delivering 68 inches of water lift, it instantly lifts tough, deep-set stains right out of your mats, seats, and trunk fabrics. With a lightweight design and an impressive 26-foot reach, cleaning every corner of your vehicle has never been this effortless. Plus, the built-in hose cleaning tool flushes out dirt with a single click, while its compact shape makes your storage a breeze. Keep your ride looking flawless. Grab yours today. Adventure waits for no one, and neither should a flat tire. Meet the GOOLOO portable tire inflator. With turbo speed twin pistons, it inflates up to 400% faster than the competition. Just set your pressure, hit go, and walk away. One-touch automatic shutoff means zero guesswork. No more missing parts. The integrated magnetic compartment keeps your nozzles secure and ready. Compact power for every ride. GOOLOO, always good to go. Let's be honest, your car's cup holder isn't meant to be a garbage bin, but somehow those tiny wrappers and napkins always pile up. Meet the SEOZF mini trash can. With its compact geometric design, it fits perfectly right into your cup holder or car door pocket. Featuring an easy one-touch push lid to keep odors locked away and multiple premium finishes to match your interior. Click the link below to grab yours today and elevate your drive. Ever get that sinking feeling when your car door gets dinged in a tight parking spot? Let's fix that. Say hello to the TOPFIT door guard. Made from premium, flexible material with a heavy-duty 3M adhesive backing, it takes less than a minute to install. It contours perfectly to your car's edges, giving you seamless, low-profile protection for your doors and even your mirrors. No more dings, no more scratches. Protect your ride with TOPFIT today. Link in the description below. Tired of dealing with ugly water spots, streaks, and accidental scratches every time you wash your car? It's time to upgrade your routine with RYCELYSIAN microfiber drying towels, the ultimate game changer for car care. Packed with incredible 9-fold water absorbency, it drinks up moisture instantly so you can dry your entire vehicle in just a single pass. Zero streaks, zero scratches, just a showroom shine every time. Fully machine washable and built to last. Click the link to grab yours now. Worried about dangerous blind spots while driving? Meet the ultimate driving upgrade. This 2-in-1 wide-angle blind spot mirror and rain visor changes everything. Featuring HD, anti-fog glass, and a full 360-degree rotatable base, it gives you a perfect panoramic view of heavy traffic. Its waterproof anti-glare coating keeps your vision crystal clear in heavy rain, while the tool-free 3M adhesive means a rock-solid install in seconds. Clean shot of the car driving smoothly with a call to action on screen. VO, universal fit for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Drive smarter, drive safer. Grab yours today at the link below. That's all for today. If you want to grab any gadgets, then don't forget every item is linked in the description below, and also subscribe for more video like this. Thanks for watching.